that coloring book?
There was only one in the bag.
It must have fallen out.
Are those your presents?
He can't decide what he wants to open. Can you get it? Yeah.
Auntie wrapped them too hard.
Yeah, baby.
Just the crayons. Everything else is easier to open.
Yeah. Right here. Pull. Pull. Pull here. Get it. Let's get some more. Oh, get some more. Pull. Pull.
She's trying to take the crayons out of the box.
Look at it. Another one. Look.
It's a big one, Gavin.
He loves crayons and coloring books. Here, baby.
Open that one.
Here, baby. Look. Yeah,
Should
put
have
those
had him
down.
open the top before the crayon.
Yeah. Yeah. He's the one that picked it. Look. Look.
Gav, open the big one.
Ooh, what's that? Get the paper. Yeah.
Gavin,
Yeah.
open it. Can I have that? Can Mama have it? Let me see. Okay, you go open the big
Come
one.
here.
Go open the big one.
Here. Here. Ooh. What's that? Grammy's helping. Yeah.
Pull it off.
Get it. Yes, I know. You want it out of the box now. Auntie Jess, where's the scissors? He's gonna get mad. Yes, baby. Is that a new puppy? Is that a new puppy? Huh? Auntie Jess, take it out of the box for you.
Here. Can't you see?
Give it to Auntie. Auntie fixed. Yeah. Right here. Yeah.
Open it, baby.
Yeah. Good boy. There you go. What a big boy.
What's that, baby?
He says, Auntie taped the tag. You don't like the paper on the tag.
What's that, baby? Is that your jersey, Patriots? He's like, no, I want my doggy.
You want your puppy?
Oh, love the puppy. Love the puppy. Yeah. I don't think he's going to let us show him how it tumbles. Is it your puppy? Ooh, puppy. He says, no, cake. Mama, Mama, he wants cake.
Hold on, baby.
Oh, puppy's tumbling backwards. Happy birthday to Gavin! Happy birthday to Gavin!
Here, blow it out. Go,
Blow.
go.
Go.
Good
boy.
Yay!
You did it!
Okay. Do you want to suck on that? You can't bite it.
Okay, give to Grammy now.
Look at sunglasses.
This is cake. Yes, it's your cake. No, give Grammy candle, baby. Give Grammy. Can Grammy have candle? Can Grammy have candle? Candle, baby. Yeah, that yours? Can I have the candle?
Give Grammy the candle. You want your sunglasses?
Oh.
Look at your own sunglasses.
He says, no, I want to use my candle and eat the frosting.
Here, you want to put them on?
Woo! Look at
All
the
right,
baby.
look at you.
Look at the baby.
Hi, cutie.
I got paper. I'll look at paper.
Yeah. He says there's not going to be any more frosting because I'm going to eat it all. Did you okay? Wow. Did you cake? Yummy. Is that your built-in spoon, baby? There is paper plates up there, dear.
Whatever.
He's using his candle to get the frosting. Look, 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 look. Yummy.
Oh.
Ow!
Hold on.
No,
Your
go
cake?
ahead, eat the cake. Eat the frosting while he's got finger up frosting.
Look at nummies.
Ooh, nummy. Tongues out and everything.
Mom's gonna drop this.
Look at
Here, you can have your frosting too. There you go. You want num nums? Here, look it. You can have a spoon. Here you go. All yours. So mommy have this. Go eat your nummies.
He's like chocolate.
He likes the frosting.
Because
Yep,
that's
he's
pretty
just-
much all he's eating.
Yay!
Yay!
Birthday cake, yum! Nope, you don't need that.
Ooh.
Eat your num nums. Look at
You gave it back to him, so.
Gab, come here.
Run away, cake!
I don't know how to do that.